Welcome to the third week of English 102 summer semester. This week you will submit the second draft of your Unit 1 essay to me for review, and we will begin working on Unit 2. So the first thing you need to do this week is to submit your Unit 1 essay to the Dropbox. If you are unhappy with your grade on this assignment or you just want to improve your grade, you are welcome to resubmit this essay at the end of the semester in your final portfolio. If I feel improvement was made, I will adjust your grade accordingly. After you submit your Unit 1 essay, please begin the readings for this week. This week is definitely the heaviest of readings, but this is all good information to get you ready for the Unit 2 essay and the preceding assignments. If you cannot get through all of the reading by Tuesday, read the pop culture essays in the textbook and the web-linked essays first, and these will be used for the assignments early in the week. Once you've done that, please review the Unit 3 materials. On the researched argument essay, there is a written document with expectations and rubric, as well as a video explaining the essay. One thing I want to point out is that you are arguing something in this essay, which means you shouldn't pick a topic that everyone would agree with. I am also looking for a strong thesis in this essay. There's a video in the course documents folder on thesis statements that I encourage you to review as well. Your first assignment for this week is the Pop Culture Reading Log Journal. You will respond to each of the 7 pop culture essays you read this week, and each response should be about a paragraph and should summarize the main idea of the essay and your initial response. Also, it might be helpful to point out any connections between the essays. After you complete the pop culture reading log, please post your initial post in the Discussing the Readings discussion forum. For this discussion, choose 2 of the readings you completed for your reading log. Find the thread with that author you are considering for your Unit 2 essay, and you can just copy and paste what you did in your reading log. If you're not sure about your topic yet, you can choose 2 readings that you found interesting. The post should be about a paragraph each. Also, please respond to 4 other students' posts in this discussion. For your second journal this week, you will need to complete the rest of the readings in They Say, I Say. Discuss the concepts covered in the book, such as things you already knew, things you learned, things that surprised you, and things you found useful or not. Also discuss if you would make any changes to your Unit 1 essay based on the readings. Your final assignment is the Exploration and Research Proposal Journal. For this journal, you need to submit 2 parts. The first is a free writing exercise, and the second is a research proposal. The free writing exercise is meant to help you figure out your topic. Remember, you need to write about something to do with pop culture. I want you to get specific. I do not want to see references to pop culture as a whole. The main areas I see pop culture are TV or movies, web technology, or other areas such as video games, comic books, specific themes in pop culture like vampires or other supernatural beings. If you have other ideas, please feel free to propose them. The second step is to write a paragraph research proposal. You should include the focus you have chosen and discuss how you narrowed it down. Also, since you are writing an argumentative essay, you need to choose an argument. You should be working on whether you see your topic as generally good or generally bad. I would like to see a tentative thesis at this point. Remember, you don't have to say your topic is all bad or all good. It can be good for some things, but bad for others. I will work to turn the proposals back to you quickly so you can begin working on your research for this essay. Well, that is it for this week. This is the heaviest week in the course, but all of the assignments are important. If you can get started early in the week, I encourage you to do so. And please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week.